All right, when we do competition like that, do y'all get stressed? Last one. Anybody getting worried yet? Not getting worried yet? You thinking you may be? All of us get fearful. Look up here. All of us get fearful. All of us are a little anxious. The players, though, that learn to handle it, they have good self-talk, don't they? They learn to mentally control their thoughts.
Well, Don, I'm really excited to be here with you today. How did this all begin?
We started back in 1995. I was coaching in college, and I had a son with muscular dystrophy, and that just didn't work, coaching in college. And so I quit coaching for a while to help take care of him and be available and all. And I started just doing some lessons on the side. A friend of mine encouraged me to, and we completely filled up in just 2 weeks. And so after a year of doing it, my schedule became so full that I started doing it full time.
So you have classes every week, right? And
we work with about 175 people right now, Monday through Saturday. And everything from 5-year-olds all the way up through college and pro players we work with.
How it's helped my child most is just his self-confidence in himself and his ability. Coach Calver and his staff do a good job of just bringing their confidence up, and they have fun while they do it. So he's come to multiple camps, and he loves coming to all of them.
What is your goal? What are you trying to teach them?
Well, we work on tremendous skills, footwork, all those kinds of things, but we really work on the middle aspect of the game. Every kid we want coming out of our program with confidence, with toughness, learning to care about others, learning work ethic, all those things that carry over into life we really emphasize, not just basketball skills.